What's up, you guys? Welcome to XJ Jesse's channel. So today we're going to be replacing the alternator on this Ford Lightning. So the owner of this truck was driving and noticed that the battery light illuminated, and then all of its lights started dimming down, and the truck started slowing down and pretty much ended up shutting down. We already tested the battery, it's good, and tested the alternator, and it turned out to be bad. So now I'm here to get his truck running and get it back on the road. So let me show you guys how to do this job. Let's go. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Remove the air intake boot. There are two vacuum hoses attached to the intake boot underneath. Remember to reinstall them. I'll show you guys how they look. Remove the coolant reservoir tank. Use an 8mm socket.
What's up, bro? How's it going?
Use a bungee cord to hold the reservoir out of the way. Use a 1/2 inch breaker bar or a ratchet to release the tensioner on the supercharger belt. If you don't have a breaker bar, you can get a pipe and slide it over the end of the ratchet to give you more leverage. Remove 3 10mm bolts from the tensioner. Remove the idler bridge bracket. There are 3 13mm nuts and 1 10mm bolt. Remove the top alternator bracket. There are 3 bolts on top and 1 on the right side. Also unplug the wiring connection. Release the tension on the serpentine belt. Remove 2 10mm bolts from the alternator. Remove the 12-volt main power wire and unplug the connection. Installation is reverse of the removal. Install everything back and make sure that the battery is fully charged. Alright, and that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.